Hello guys, welcome to our video. Today is the Rosie birthday, a simple birthday cake surprise. I already ordered and I delivered today exactly on the birthday. She cannot believe that she will receive the birthday cake. It is a very surprise birthday cake. It's a small surprise. I already ordered and I asked them to deliver today exactly on November 11. I hope she's liked this cake very much and happy birthday to Rosie, my wife, and thank you for watching our video, guys. God bless everyone. We'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. And she's opening the cake here. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye. We'll see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Thank you.